welcome back to the channel. Thank you for cooling with Jay as always. So, in today's video, guys, I'm going to list the top five coolest things I've experienced while owning a motorcycle. Okay? Obviously, I own a Ducati, but just in general, the top 5 things I enjoyed about, the top 5 things I enjoyed while being a motorcyclist. Alright guys, let's get into this video.
Hit the gas on them nitro, youngin'. Coolin' and being cool, that's ice cold, youngin'. We really bad at no bluffing. Self-made boy, that's the end of discussion. Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin', right? Coolin' with Jay, they know we coolin'. You ain't really coolin', or you think you're foolin'.
Alright guys, so let's start with number 5 on that list. So, number 5 for me on the top 5 coolest things I've experienced while being a motorcyclist. Number 5 is going to be the open air, right? The open air feeling of a bike. If you haven't been on it, I highly suggest you experience it, because there's nothing like that open air feeling of being on a motorcycle compared to a car. Yeah, I know cars have their top down and convertibles and all that, but just feeling the wind in your face, it's such a cool thing. Like it's super dope. Now, number 4 on that list for me is kids at lights. For me, it's super cool to come to a light, right? Or to be, driving through an intersection and see kids break their neck and want you to rev it for them, and they want to rush over and hear the engine like that. That brings me joy. For me, it's cool to make a kid's day, because he's walking by with his dad. He's 6 years old, and he hears the bike to turn on. Like, I was just at Cars and Coffee the other day, and a kid was crying to his dad about, he wanted to sit on my bike. Obviously, I wasn't around, so his dad was like, no. And I happened to walk over during this conversation. I was like, yeah, they sit on the bike. Have him sit on the bike and turn it on, and you see his face and light up and all of that. Like, I can't tell you how many times I've come to lights and kids are waving, fist pumping me out of the windows. Like, that stuff right there, that, like I said, that for me is a bonus. Every time I can do that, put a smile on a kid's face, I love it. Alright, number 3 on that list, stress reliever. Now, for those of you who don't know, to me, again, everybody has their stress relievers. Like, people go to drugs, alcohol, people go to video games, people eat when they're stressed, they sleep when they're stressed, play video games, go to the gym, work out, whatever. I'm telling you, I've been to the gym and been mad, right? I've played video games while mad. Hell, I've played video games and gotten mad because of people in rage quit playing video games. But I can confidently say, after going on 2 years of ownership, I can confidently tell y'all guys that there's never, ever been a time where I've gotten on my bike and still had stress. Ever. I might be worried about money, financials, relationship, parents, personal issues, whatever, all of that, right? I hop my leg over this bike, turn it on, and make that first corner, it's evaporated. And again, I'll challenge anybody that can tell me they have something else that is an instant stress reliever 100% of the time. And that's the key. I mean 100%. I don't mean 99.9. I mean, anytime you do this thing, no matter how you feel, your tension's gone away. And for me, the bike does it. Every time, all the time. Alright. So number 2 on that list, it has to be the microwave. It has to be the microwave. Actually, no. I'm gonna move biker way to number 1, actually. So, number 2 on my list is the bike community. Right? Now, I'm not talking about Ducati in general. I mean, just bike community. Right? And I even talked to, so I'm pretty cool with the guy who works for Ferrari, right? And what he told me, and he owns motorcycles, and what he told me, there's no community cooler than the bike community, because they actually want to ride. Whereas the car community, you know, people with their Ferraris and Lamborghinis, they don't want to really ring them out. They want to take them to Cars and Coffee, take them home, put them up, put the battery tender on, and not touch them for 10 months. Right? We actually want to ride our bikes. Hey, I don't care if it's to Starbucks every day. It's still somewhere. So in this past year, guys, like, you know, making friends in the bike community, like, now the forum pages, I mean, any forum Facebook group page is going to be assets, but just the community by itself, like, they want to ride, enjoy their ride, conversation about ride, like, it's a real dope community. Like, and people want to ride and have fun. Yeah, people are reckless and want to do stupid stuff, but still, they're about enjoying, and bikers respect bikers, 100%. And then last on that list, as I already said before, is the biker wave. The bike, yo, the first time I pulled that trip, the first time I got on my bike on the freeway, sorry, on the road. First time I got on the road and passed my first biker, it was the coolest thing I've ever done in my life. It was one of the coolest I've ever done in my life. Like, it was so, like, they don't know you, you don't know them. It's a respect thing. It's 100% respect thing. It's 100% a respect thing to ride by your fellow biker and give them the biker wave. 100%. Now, I've always struggled with the moped family, the moped group, the scooter group. Like, I don't know how they fit into this puzzle, because some of them give me biker waves, some don't even look at me. I'm not sure. Some won't even look me twice in the eye. So, hey guys, in the comments down below, do moped scooters count as a biker wave? So if you're on a bike, on a sport bike or whatever, cruiser, and you pass by a lady on her, sorry, if you're on your sport bike and you pass by a lady on her scooter, do you give her the biker wave? Does that count? Obviously men or women, but I'm just curious. Does that count as a biker wave? Anyway, and it's time for my annual service as well. So every time I cut my bike on, it tells me like 10 days, 8 days, 5 days, 4 days left to my annual service. It's almost here. It's the annual routine service. They check over the bike, a couple $100, no big deal, like getting a couple oil changes in a year. So it's all at one time, no big deal, but that's what's left. Obviously I need gas. And of course, some people ask the other light is because of my exhaust. So people always ask that question, what's that light on your dash? That's because of my aftermarket exhaust. And I just haven't really fully committed to spending $1,200, $1,300 for a flash tune. I don't care to, you know. It isn't like a big deal, for me at least. Yeah, so now I would do it for like having smoother throttle would be for sure. But I mean, it's not like my bike is unbearably throttle controlled where like I have to get a flash. So it's like I can't fully justify it where I'd rather do something else with that $1,000. And anyway, yeah guys, that's my 5. So yeah, biker wave, stress reliever, rev bombing for kids. Rev bombing for kids, stress reliever, motorcycle community, and just an open air feeling. Like I said, it's peace. Like, you're just in your thoughts when you're on your bike. Yeah, you're in your thoughts. You're thinking about things you don't even think about, because it's crazy. When I'm in my car, it's always like cell phone on, listening to somebody's YouTube video, listening to a podcast, texting, unfortunately, I will say that. You know, all those kind of things. Like, I feel distracted. When you're on your bike, it's you and the bike. Like, you can't be thinking about anything else, because obviously it's going to mean a very, 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 very bad day for you and your family if you're distracted on a bike. So anyway, guys, with that being said, I hope you're having a great summer. Let me know if y'all have any other future summer plans. Like, what are y'all planning to do for the rest of the summer? Because we're wrapping it up. Unfortunately, all the kiddies are back in school, about to be, thank God. Happy for that too. It's back to quiet again for another year. I definitely don't miss those days of pissed off because you had your whatever 2-ish month summer break. It's like, all right, it's back to going to school, getting up in the morning, football 2-a-days. Ugh, that gut feeling of knowing that you've been eating like crap for 2 weeks. Like, hey, now I gotta go work out 2-a-days in Texas under the heat in the sun. So it's crazy. All right, guys, thank you for coming with Jay as always, and I'll see you on the next video.